If you're going to cook, you must use Hexclad because it is the best. So we're just going to put a little butter in there and let it melt. And then we're going to do some eggs. We've got it on, we only have it on 3.5. Maybe we should turn it up.
Move it up.
I'm thinking maybe, what, 7? 8? How about high? All right, I got it on high. So now the butter should melt.
Fine.
All right, should I leave it this hot? All right, anyway, we're gonna cook a couple eggs. We're gonna use our Hexclad. You can see it's beautiful. It's all stainless. It's starting to bubble. I'm gonna get the butter all around it. And now we just gotta put the eggs in. Here we go.
No.
We're gonna turn it
Did
down.
you do that?
Yeah, I put it up. You said to put it up.
Yeah, but you don't put it on high to cook eggs.
Let's cook the eggs. Keep that. You need the yolk. That yolk's good for you. You're just too skinny. Eat the yolk. You're not going to eat the yolk?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm also kind of afraid of my cholesterol.
Oh, because it's really high? All right, so with the Hexclad, we're going to do 1 yolk. She might do 1 yolk.
There.
Okay, we're going to do 1 yolk. All right. It's cooking up nice, honey. So anyway, yeah, Hexclad is the best. It's easy to clean up. And, you know, if you're going to be serious about cooking, this is what you want to do. How long does it usually take to cook an egg?
I don't know. 2 minutes? Don't know. Cooking.
Looks like it's cooking pretty fast. Wow. Do you like your yolk runny, or do you like it?
Barely cooked.
When we were kids, we used to eat our eggs runny and dip our bread into the yolk.
That's disgusting.
It was so good.
That's disgusting.
Yeah. That's how we did it. And we dip it into our coffee. Wow, looks good. Right now, all you need is something to eat it in. So now all you gotta do is Hexclad. That's it. Look, you see how it doesn't really stick? And it cleans up super easy. You think it's done? Okay. So I would highly recommend buying these Hexclads. They're super great pans. And I'm going to show you, we have a whole collection of them down here. Look at that. Yeah. And we put these in between so that they don't get all scratched up. But that's it. Okay, I'm done.